Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Cane Chair is probably one of the most versatile and convenient mobility aids on the market, seamlessly transforming from a sturdy walking cane into a comfortable and supportive seat in seconds, offering unparalleled convenience and peace of mind for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges who value both stability and the ability to rest whenever needed, making it an ideal companion for everyday use, travel, and various outdoor activities. Number 5. Folding cane with seat. This innovative cane provides stability and comfort. It's perfect for those who need extra support while walking. With a robust design, it can comfortably support users weighing up to 440 pounds. It's built to last. Weighing only 1.98 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its foldable design makes it convenient for travel. It features 5 adjustable height settings to ensure a comfortable and personalized fit. Find the perfect height for your needs. When you need a rest, simply unfold it to reveal a comfortable seat. It's ideal for taking a break during walks or shopping trips. The built-in LED light enhances safety during nighttime walks. Non-slip rubber feet protect floors and provide extra stability. Made from high-quality aviation aluminum, it's incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. It's a reliable companion for your daily walks. Give the gift of comfort and support to your loved ones. It's the perfect present for seniors or anyone who needs extra assistance while walking. What we like. This cane boasts an impressive weight capacity, ensuring stability for most users. The integrated LED light enhances safety during nighttime walks. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for various heights and preferences. If you need a sturdy, safe, and adaptable cane with a seat, this is the one for you. What people say. It is heavier than a regular cane, so not good for every day. The seat and handle are made of hard plastic. Easy to open and close seat. Fairly easy to walk with. Dimpled seat, flashlight handle, adjustable height are nice features. I have really long legs, so I set all these legs set up on the longest setting. The cane is still very stable, and the seat is high enough to get on and off the seat without pain, about 18.5 high when open. It holds all of my weight no problem. Number 4. Step 2 Gold Tata Chair Series 2. It's a hiking stick in a chair, all in one. Enjoy comfortable rests on your adventures, without adding extra weight to your pack. The handle is designed for easy gripping while hiking, and the seat is extra large for comfortable sitting. It's built for your comfort and convenience. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it weighs less than 2.2 pounds but supports up to 300 pounds. It's the perfect blend of lightweight portability and robust strength. It features reinforced construction and anti-slip rubber feet for enhanced stability. It's rigorously tested to meet European and Taiwanese safety standards. Find the perfect fit for your height. Choose from small, medium, or large to ensure optimal comfort and support. Please check the sizing chart before purchasing. For your safety, always sit in the center of the seat and keep your hands on the handle. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This option stands out with its ergonomic handle, reducing strain during use. The extra-large seat provides superior comfort. It's also incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry. If comfort and ease of use are your priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This cane chair should work out great. I was on a Panama Canal cruise and we docked at Costa Rica for a tour. At one stop, we had to wait until the bus showed up for us. A fellow passenger set up her Tata chair and I had to have one. It was the perfect solution. I always get compliments on this cane chair. People take photos of it for friends and relatives. It is sturdy, quick to open and close, and comfortable to sit on. The single cane foot is much better than the 3 tripod legs separated. My girlfriend has POTS where she basically has a high heart rate and low blood pressure. On hikes, she would have to sit down and rest a little bit. Having this handy device definitely helps, not only supports her on walks but also turns into a chair in seconds. It's also wicked light and comes in a case with a strap just in case one doesn't feel like using it as a cane. Number 3. Switch Sticks Folding Cane. This innovative cane provides stability and support while also offering a convenient seat for rest. It's perfect for seniors and adults alike. It seamlessly combines a sturdy walking cane with a lightweight, folding seat. Enjoy comfortable rests during long walks or events. Made from lightweight aluminum, it weighs only 3 pounds but supports up to 220 pounds. It's easy to carry and store, yet incredibly strong. The contoured, real wood handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and strain. Enjoy extended use without discomfort. The quad base with non-slip rubber tips provides excellent traction on various surfaces. It ensures stability and security with every step. It folds down easily for compact storage in cars, planes, or closets. It's always ready when you need it, without taking up unnecessary space. What we like. This cane features a comfortable real wood handle, reducing hand fatigue. Despite its lightweight design, it offers reliable support. Its compact folding design makes it ideal for travel. If you value a comfortable grip and portability, this is a great option. What people say. Lightweight and sturdy for my 210 pounds. The seat is perfect for a quick rest. Easy to open, and sturdy. I used this multiple times on my cruise and many people asked me where I got it from. Number 2. Folding cane seat with LED light. This innovative cane offers sturdy support and comfort. It's perfect for seniors who need a reliable walking aid and a convenient place to rest. It's made from lightweight aluminum, yet it supports up to 350 pounds. Adjust the height to suit your needs for optimal comfort and support. The seat provides a secure and comfortable place to sit. Non-slip rubber tips protect floors and enhance stability. Never worry about low light conditions. It features a handy 360 degrees rotating LED flashlight for added safety and convenience. It's great for trade shows, waiting in lines, traveling, or simply resting after a walk. It's the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. It comes fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box. It's easy to fold and carry, making it perfect for travel. This cane is built to last. It's made from high-quality materials and designed for long-term use. What we like. This model offers a handy 360 degrees rotating light, perfect for nighttime visibility. It also provides a robust weight capacity and is height adjustable. If you prioritize safety and adjustability, this is a strong contender. What people say. This item is very well made from high-quality material. This is easy to put together and adjust in various ways to your needs. The weight is good to use as a cane and carry around. Number 1. Folding walking cane with seat. It's more than just a cane, it's your personal portable seat. Enjoy comfortable support wherever you go. When you need a rest, simply unfold it into a sturdy seat. When you're on the go, it's a reliable walking cane. It unfolds and folds away easily, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. It's lightweight and easy to carry. With 5 adjustable heights, you can find the perfect fit for your comfort and stability. It's designed to adapt to you. Made from sturdy aluminum, it's built to last. Plus, its tripod design provides extra stability, giving you peace of mind. We stand behind its quality with a free lifetime warranty. It's an investment in your comfort and independence. What we like. This cane provides 5 adjustable height settings for personalized comfort. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the tripod base ensures stability. If you need a highly adjustable and stable cane, this is a great choice. What people say. This cane with a built-in seat perfectly fits the bill. The anti-slip feature is a great addition. It's easy to fold and unfold the chair, and it provides a comfortable place to sit without needing an additional chair or bench nearby. Moreover, the lightweight design makes it easy to carry around and store when not in use. It's easy to adjust the height also. It's on the longest length and is just perfect to walk with. They definitely should make another 2 sizes longer on the cane for the 6-foot babes out there. I think it stays steady on all 3 feet. The seat is fine, cups my bottom, not too small or too big. It's pretty lightweight. This portable folding walking cane with seat is a versatile and practical mobility aid designed to provide both durability while walking and convenience for sitting. This cool little device serves as both a walking cane and a sturdy seat. This thing is really durable. Great construction. It offers excellent strength and longevity. Best feature, the anti-slip grip feet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.